Learn how to deploy machine learning models using FastAPI, a crucial tool for creating fast and efficient RESTful APIs. By the end of this video, you'll acquire skills to set up a FastAPI server and deploy a simple ML model. Welcome to this video on deploying machine learning models with FastAPI. Did you know that FastAPI can perform at speeds comparable to Node.js and Go? This makes it an ideal choice for building RESTful APIs efficiently. In this video, we will guide you through setting up a FastAPI server and deploying a simple machine learning model. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, FastAPI's intuitive design and automatic API documentation will speed up your development process and enhance your productivity. Let's dive into the world of FastAPI and see how it can revolutionize your ML deployment workflow. Before we start deploying models, it's crucial to set up a virtual environment. Why? Because it helps isolate dependencies and ensures your project runs smoothly without conflicts. Open your terminal and use Python's built-in Vend module to create a virtual environment. This step is platform independent and enhances your project's security. Once your environment is ready, activate it using the appropriate command for your operating system. Remember, every dependency you install now will remain contained within this environment, making your project more manageable and portable. This is a best practice every developer should follow. With our virtual environment activated, it's time to install FastAPI and its related packages. Use pip, Python's package installer, to add FastAPI to your project. Alongside FastAPI, you'll need Unicorn, a lightning-fast ASCII server to run your application. Make sure to keep your packages up to date to benefit from the latest features and security patches. You can verify the installation by checking the versions of both FastAPI and Unicorn. Remember, FastAPI leverages Pedantic for data validation and Starlet for web microservices, ensuring a robust framework for your API needs.
Now that we have our environment ready, let's create our first FastAPI application. Begin by opening your code editor and importing FastAPI. Define a new FastAPI instance and create your first endpoint using the decorator syntax. FastAPI supports asynchronous functions, which is beneficial for handling multiple requests efficiently. One of the standout features of FastAPI is its automatic API documentation, accessible via a simple URL. You can run your app using Unicorn and test the endpoint in your browser. This simple setup is the foundation for deploying more complex machine learning models. Integrating a pre-trained machine learning model into your FastAPI application is a game changer. Start by loading your model using libraries such as scikit-learn or TensorFlow. Ensure the model is compatible with FastAPI's input format. It's crucial to serialize inputs and outputs effectively to handle requests seamlessly. Develop a prediction endpoint where your model can process the input data and return predictions. Testing this integration with sample data will help you validate the model's performance within the FastAPI framework. This step bridges the gap between data science and application deployment, enabling real-world use cases. FastAPI excels in handling requests and responses thanks to its built-in features. Learn to manage request bodies and query parameters effectively. Leverage pedantic models for robust data validation, ensuring data integrity. Customize response status codes to provide clear feedback to clients. Handling errors gracefully with exception handlers not only improves user experience but also maintains the application's reliability. Optimizing response time is crucial for performance, and FastAPI offers various tools to achieve this. By mastering these aspects, you'll ensure smooth and efficient communication between your application and its users. Testing your API is a critical step in the deployment process. Postman, a popular tool for API testing, makes this task straightforward. Install Postman and set up your workspace to start testing your FastAPI endpoints. Create requests to validate the responses and check for any errors. Utilize Postman collections to organize your tests, making them easy to manage and execute. Postman also supports automated testing with scripts, enhancing your testing efficiency. By thoroughly testing your API, you can ensure its reliability and robustness before deploying it to production.
With your FastAPI application ready and tested, it's time to deploy it to a cloud platform. Choose a platform that suits your needs, such as AWS, Heroku, or Google Cloud. Prepare your application by ensuring all dependencies are listed and configurations are set. Configure deployment settings, including environment variables and scaling options. It's essential to secure your API with authentication methods to protect sensitive data. Once deployed, monitor performance and scale your application as needed to handle increased traffic. Deploying to the cloud brings your application to life, making it accessible to users worldwide. Congratulations on deploying your first machine learning model with FastAPI. Today, We've covered everything from setting up a virtual environment to deploying your application on a cloud platform. We encourage you to explore more features of FastAPI and see how they can enhance your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on machine learning and APIs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.